Jerry. Hey, I'm testing the microphone. Jerry, look. Yeah, look. G'day, how you going? So, solution for DJI Osmo Action 3 sound. One more little test. Now with the sound, obviously it's got its own sound built in, you know, 2 microphones at the front and 1 down the bottom. So the best solution for the best microphone solution for the Action 3 is the Smallrig Wave W1C. This is USB-C. So I found all the other solutions are too finicky or too big or too expensive, because you can use the DJI official microphone, but it just doesn't fit in properly there. Look how small it is. That's it. and it's got the best dead cat solution, because this fits into the headphone socket and covers the mic, so when you're out there it's not going to fall off. Because you know, I've ranted a bit about these dead cats on the road. They keep coming off. So this is the best solution. See, I've got the dead cat on here. The dead cat is alive. Dead cat twice. There's the wind. Dead cat 3 times. Dead cat. I think I finally found the solution to my wind problems. No, not those kind. Not that kind of wind. So it all just fits in here like that, and you just charge it from the back there. It's straight out of the manufacturer. It's all paired up and everything. There's no problem there. You don't have to push any buttons or anything. Just take it out, charge it up, and bang, it's gone. It's in there. So you just got to put it in there like that. USB-C. You don't even have to take the door off. So when I strap it to my chest like that, it's not hitting. So, and then this thing here, you've got the microphone and the headphones also. That's a headphone that you can hear yourself, and just bung it in there like that, and you're good to go. Now the big thing for me is the wind. So that can go into the headphone, and that'll cover the microphone, and it clips in, so it's not going anywhere. Now there's no battery in the transmitter, because that gets the power from the machine itself, from the camera. Only the transmitter has the battery, and that's what charges. And if it's flashing like that, then that means it's working. When you plug it in, you'll see that that has a light, and it's all good to go. You know you're working. Plus, on the DJI Osmo Action 3, you'll see there, if you can see it, the little camera, and you can see it flashing. You can see the levels going up and down. It's got dB gain like that. Now I did some experimenting, and I found that plus 15 dB was the best, because when I put it on the computer, that was the best sound level, not too high and not too low, that I didn't have to muck around in post to gain up and down. It works on your phone as well, if you've got if you've got Android. If you've got Apple, bad luck. You got to buy the adapter. So just pop that in. Same scenario, it's just automatically just works. There's no setting up or anything like that. On the phone, Galaxy S10. Huh? Yes. Alright, so now I'm testing it on the phone. It also works with the phone, so because all USB-C, so that's good. It's another tool I can use out there in the field. And now that it's got the mic with the wind, the dead cat. Jerry, dead cat. Hey, Jerry, dead cat. Huh? You see the dead cat? I got a good backup now with the phone. 'Cause I always take the phone with me, Jerry. You know that. And now with this wireless USB-C mic by Smallrig, I've got a good solution now. So DJI and the phone together out in the field with Jerry, and this dead cat Bonza. Now with the phone, normally I've just been using the Rode one where it just plugs in. This is TTRS, like that. And that's been good enough, and you can put a dead cat on there. But I found if you go out, like even when my sister goes out, it's a little bit, how's your auntie? It's a bit in your face, not in your face, but it just looks like, what the hell is this guy doing? So with the beauty of this, just like that, and you hide that there and you won't even know, you know, so that's good. That's a good solution. Now it won't work on the Osmo Action 1, so the only way, if you're a DJI 1 user, is to use the original, I can never remember the name, cinnamon, and you plug that in there. That's USB-C as well, like that, and then you've got your 3.5 jack there, the TTR, and then you can do whatever TTR solution that you like, you know, little thingamajigs like that. That's useless because the wind gets through that, so you need a dead cat on there. Or if you've got the Rode wireless, you can also do it. Now the only way to keep it on there, so I found this Ulanzi thing where it clips on the top of the original case, like that, and then you can Rode go it like that, microphone it in like that. So, but like I said, dead cat on these, pain in the ass. Now if you don't want to buy the DJI microphone, or you don't want to buy these, and you've got existing solutions for other microphones with 3.5 TTRs, with the Action 3 you can do it, but you're going to need a USB-C to TTR adapter. But then it's going to be a hard solution to try and somehow, you know, actually check this out. Maybe not. But yeah, that's why I didn't want to go down that road. Get it? Road. So I used this easy solution. Bang, bang, bang. I tell you what, this microphone's awesome, alright? It really is. And you know why I'm getting rid of it? Because of this bloody wind muff. Look at it. It's shit. It just does not go in. It doesn't stay in. You have to twist it, turn it, put it in. Nothing works. I don't know. I've just had enough of it. Every time I try and clip it on, it comes off. I mean, one little stupid thing like that, I was thinking of gluing it even. You know, just I'm getting rid of it. I'm going to get the DJI. Alright? Rode, you made a perfectly good microphone, but you missed out on the stupid wind muff, which is the bane of my existence, because it won't bloody stay in, because the clips are shit. Hey Jerry, you don't care, do you?